Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Yo. That what is called archery thing? That was so hard. Oh my goodness. It looked so easy. And it was mad hard, but I probably don't use most of it. It was so hard, guys, but for the most part, it was fun. So we go into the next activity. Just be. Don't take it.
That's my teacher.
I'm like, who, that lady over there?
No, the little girl.
So she decides to come to the park. What's this little round thing?
Oh, it's an animal.
Okay, I'm just hanging back up. Wait, so is one of those not first? Yeah, this one goes at first. This is the 15. It goes 15s and 20s. I'm good with this hand. Yeah, oh, so close. I found the way to do it. You aim up. Oh. I don't know. I just can't.
What is called archery thing? That was so hard. Oh my goodness. It looked so easy. And it was mad hard, but I probably don't use most of it. It was so hard, guys, but for the most part, it was fun. So we go into the next activity. She'll feed them. Did she say see or feed them?
Feed.
Oh, okay. Oh, because they
Do you want something to feed it with?
I just really stopped to see you.
Like a cracker? Snacks?
Where's snacks?
what can you feed them? Because they said we could bring.
You want snacks?
Oh, she's gonna give it to us.
Yeah, if you have, they can eat apples or carrots.
Oh yeah, so we brought the apples.
Cool, they love apples.
Really? Oh, we brought some.
Perfect.
Nice. Look how big he is. Oh my goodness, guys.
You just have to hold it like this and then stick it through the fence, and he'll eat it right out of your hand. You want to try it?
Look at the goat.
You guys want snacks?
Sure, I guess. Thank you.
Let's go. I don't want to walk all the way down. We don't get fed.
He keeps dropping it.
You want popcorn? You want to give one too? Just hold it up. Or actually you can stick it through the fence there. And it might be a little bit easier for him. So just like this. Okay?
Go ahead, stick it up. Stick it out so he can eat it.
I'm not sure.
So Nylan don't want to. Go ahead, Mama. You want Grandma to hold your hand out?
Drop it.
You're not going to
Just
drop
like this,
it.
watch.
Look. See, he just eats it.
And then they take it from you.
See? Go ahead.
Do you want me to put my hand over your hand?
That's what I was saying. Maybe if Grandma does it with her.
And then we can do it like this. No? Look, he's smelly. He's like, look at him. He's like, he knows it's out there. I know it's there.
Uh-oh. He keeps dropping them.
There.
I want to
These are
give
our
them the
donkeys.
apple, please.
Look at this big one.
You want to feed him?
You want this one?
He wants, oh, look, the crackers.
You don't want it? They can. Only the donkey can't have crackers.
He dropped it. What'd you say? Say that again. Bleh.
How you can feed the goats? Why can you feed the goats?
I'll be crackers.
Hold it like this.
There they go, they leaving. They said forget y'all. Uh-oh. Turn around.
Okay.
We're allowed to switch now.
She got
Long again.
Look at Nikki. What the heck? Oh, look at the chickens. Look at all that wood. Firewood. You like it? We going up this road. Look at Mickey. Sitting in hay. You said it's steak. The life, y'all. This air feels so good. Passing the boat. We're back. They look like missiles.